Well, here we are again, back on El Duster. Hi, Dad.
Hello. Hello.
I didn't put my hat on, which I should have, because I still have bedhead, because I've been messing around with the internet all morning, because AT&T is a bunch of freaking, well, I can't say that word.
They got ahead of themselves.
Yeah, we had to get a new modem, because the internet speed's been sucking here recently, and anyways, so we got a new modem with faster internet. Well, they went ahead and swapped us to the new modem settings without giving us the new modem yet. We're still waiting on the dang thing. So I woke up this morning, had no internet, and was freaking out, so it kind of sucked.
He made me talk to the foreigner.
Well, you have to talk to the foreigner because the deal's in your name.
And I
So,
got the password.
oh, let's go see what's in the garage for you. For you, I mean me. We got boxes. What's in them boxes? Wait, why aren't you wearing your thingy?
Can't wear it forever.
That's true. So,
I got pants pocket.
that counts. And now I'm gonna try. Let's see. Yeah. Uh-oh, there it goes.
Oh, now it's dirty.
Now it's dirty. It'll never be the same. So we got ourselves some Hoosier. They call them Pro Street tires. That looks like a freaking truck tire.
Sure does. Like super single on a semi.
Kinda, yeah. I can't remember which size we got. They are 29, 12 and a half, 15 LTs. But they are Hoosiers.
But they're not them flimsy drag racing Hoosiers.
No, that's a regular
That's a
radial
real tire.
That's a real freaking tire, so that ought to last a while. And the only reason why I bought these was because they were the only thing available. And they were very expensive. I'm going to tell you guys, these tires, list price, $340 a tire. Make all the jokes you want about me being stupid for paying that, but it's the only available option through Jigs. Well, anybody, you know, even some friends of mine who work in the tire industry couldn't find tires, so. And I can't keep driving on those old bias-ply slicks. It's just not safe. So if you guys want to see burnouts, there'll be a donation bin right here. Imagine there's a little can in my fingers. Rattle, rattle, rattle. So I'm gonna go take off those old wheels and get these babies mounted and balanced. What says you, Dad?
Hope it don't start raining.
That would suck. Well, at least if it rains now, I can continue driving and cruising.
You just float.
They're not that wide. I mean,
You can probably float across the river.
they're not that wide.
Just an A-body.
That is true. And they are tubeless. Made in USA. You don't see that very often on a tire. Well, on anything anymore. Alright, to the tire show. Alright, so before we go do any tire mounting, we'll just show. We're going to do this in order. We got our new Jig Stickers. We got a Hoosier sticker, which you have to hold up in the light because it's white. And what'd you get, Dad?
I got a roll control for charge.
I gotta stand back. Look at all the cars in the fridge. I know Dad's sitting there like all proud of his roll control, and I'm sitting here looking at the fridge. Yep, you got a roll control just like what Jezebel has, but yours is brand new. Yours isn't used.
I don't know. Maybe it'll work for me.
No, it should. Got the momentary switch there. That'll go right on your shifter since your shifter's a round stock. That'll fit right on there. You ain't got to cut it up like I had to do mine.
My proportionate valve ain't as easy to get to as yours.
No. Well, we can always convert yours.
Might have to.
And
I
we,
didn't like where it's at anyway.
of course, more McGuard lug nuts to cure the stupidity of two different size lug nuts on the back of the car. So, thank you again, Rob. Now let's go do tire stuff. Maybe. Possibly. Potentially. Perhaps. Meh. Alright, and we're back, and we're fighting good old Mother Nature. So the Duster's been up on, jack stands. I just got back from the tire shop, and they're mounted and balanced. And we got Dad's wheel, and we got my old tires and stuff. Ooh, look at the fancy valve stems they gave me. And that's when I can do local business, I will. That tire shop up on the north end is Anderson Tire. They've never done bad work for me. They've always done really good. And I treat all my stuff with a lot of respect, but I'm fighting the weather, so see if these babies fit and how they look, because, well, I hope they fit. A man can be hopeful, can't he? All right, wheels and tires are on. Thanks, Facebook, for going off. And we have plenty of clearance for the inside, for the leaf springs. However, we did notice one little thing on this side, and this might be my fault. I don't know, but this tire fits kind of close to the quarter up there, and it's fine back here. But you come on over to this side, and it's even gap front and rear. So when I put the blocks, the lowering blocks in the car, there were multiple holes for some stupid reason, and I may have it on the front hole up here, which may have the rear end kicked forward. So I might take that back off and see if we can get that scooched back a little bit. Better get the cardboard out of there. All right, down with you. Oh, can't do it with my left arm. That's a lot of freaking tire. I can't compress the car down. How's that look out here? Does that look like $340 worth of tire?
Probably.
Looks like it's hitting, actually. Oh, no. It's just really scary close.
Look on the other side, you only got like a finger width. Maybe twice that width.
Yeah, this side I would feel comfortable about driving.
I don't know if it'd be a full pin on your block.
Yeah. Something kind of screwy there.
Yeah, it is.
Just gonna have to drive it and see if it rubs. That was the only tire option we had, unfortunately. But it looks good.
Maybe it'll settle a little bit when you drive it.
Yeah, if the car was a little bit lower, it'd be fine. 3-inch lowering blocks. Yep. Besides that one little issue, there's quite a bit of tire underneath the duster. You definitely can't get that much tire into a stock one, that's for sure. All right. Yeah, well, we're gonna get Dad's car done before it rains. And just want to thank you for checking out this one. Don't mind my hand, it's right near the camera. In fact, we'll fix this. Whoop. Hopefully, nope, that's gonna be upside down, I guarantee it. So I guess I'll just stand over here. We'll come back over here. And thank you for watching this one. Oh wow, you look taller than me. Yeah, stand up. Let's see. We'll do this forced perspective thing there. See? That's probably more appropriate. So thanks for watching this one as always, guys. It's a short one, so take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.